Welcome to Skybroking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult a financial advisor. Now let's see the fundamental analysis. Global cues. Wednesday is the most important day of the week as Wall Street will closely follow the September US inflation report, the release of FOMC minutes. Evergrande has slipped from the headlines this past week, but with another China developer defaulting on foreign debt this week, markets are not far away from sparking another sell-off in mainland and Hong Kong equity markets. Let's see the domestic cues. INR has immediately sold off after the RBI decision and may test 75.00, even 75.40. With energy prices remaining elevated, particularly coal and natural gas, the pressure will come on India's current account as a massive net importer of energy. Delhi Chief Minister warns of power crisis due to coal shortage. Stagflationary fears could increase with the release of industrial production and WPI on Tuesday and Thursday. Coming Friday will be a holiday on account of Dasara. The results of this week will be Infosys, Mindtree, Wipro on Wednesday, HCL Technologies on Thursday, and HDFC Bank on Saturday. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Now let's move on to the technical analysis. Until Nifty closes above 17,963 on daily basis, it may expect a profit booking rally up to 17,395 levels. Bank Nifty may expect a profit booking rally until break above 38,250 ranges. So these are this week's technical analysis. Now let's move on to the derivative analysis. Based on the option chain analysis, highest open interest for call side is 18,000 strike and for the put side is 17,000 strike. Overall 1,000 points band and the expiry will be on 14th October. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has increased with Nifty positive close compared with previous week, which shows put writing is seen. India VX has settled at 15.65 and when compared with the previous week, it has decreased. So these are this week's derivative analysis. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy Coal India above 195, the target is 205 and the stop loss is 185. Buy Third Max above 1410, the target is 1500 and the stop loss is 1345. Coming to the F&O corner, sell Bank Nifty future below 37,760, the target is 37,600 and the stop loss is 37,930. Based on the option strategy, bear call spread, sell Nifty 18,100 call option at 135 and buy Nifty 18,250 call option at 85. 28th October will be the expiry. Book profit once strategies made profit of 35 points. Looking on to the institutional activity, according to the previous week, the FII net sellers were minus 3,685.65 crores and for the October month, the net sellers are minus 3,554.26 crores. According to the previous week, the DII net buyers were 3,458.05 crores and for the October month, the net buyers are 2,844.97 crores. So these are this week's recommendations and institutional activity. For more profits and information, visit our website www.skybroking.com. Thank you by Skybroking.